Morning guys, welcome to math session with Mr. M, and today we are doing grade 9 algebra. So we're going to touch only on simplifying a fraction and factorizing completely. It's straightforward and very easy to attack. Now the first question, it goes as follows. It says simplify. Now our simplify is 2x to the power of negative 1y all over 3y squared bracketed to the raised to the power of negative 2. So because it's raised to the power of negative 2, we turn it to a fraction which is 1 over 2x negative 1y all over 3y squared, close the bracket. Now the power, now it changes, it becomes positive 2. That is the same as with the 1 at the top. Now the power that is positive 2 is affecting every power of every term that is inside the bracket. It's affecting 2 and the variables. So 2 becomes 4, because when you raise it to the power of 2, it gives you 4. X becomes negative 3, y becomes raised to the power of 2. And at the bottom, 3 becomes 9, because 3 to the power of 2 becomes your 9. And y becomes 4. Y becomes raised to the power of 4. Because when you times it by 2, it gives you a 4. Now, from there we have the same scenario that we had at the first step right there, right on this new numerator that we are having as 4x to the power of negative 3 y squared. The negative 3 affects, and we turn it to a fraction as we did first. Now, it becomes 1 over 4x to the power of 3 y squared, all over another term which is 9y to the power of 4. So we have 1, 2, 3 steps in this fraction. So the bottom one, it multiplies the top so that we may have a new numerator. So it's 9y to the power of 4 multiplied by 1, it becomes 9y to the power of 4 all over 4x to the power of 3y squared. So we have simplified. Now, on factorization also is very easy. It's very easy on this one that I'm seeing here. It says factorize completely, and we are having ax to the power of 2 negative 5ax plus 6a. Now, the first thing that you can look at is 1, 2, 3 terms. Now, the first thing that you look at what is common. When it comes to factorization, you look for the common factor. Here we have a. We take a outside. It becomes a, open bracket, x squared minus 5x plus 6, and you close the bracket. Now, from here we have this trinomial now. You break this trinomial. Now, you say a, you open 2 brackets because you are breaking a trinomial, and x, when you multiply this, x must take you back there. So whatever that I put here and here, the terms that I'm going to put here, they must be the number that I must be able to multiply, and they must be able to give me that there. Positive 6. But when I add them or subtract them, they must be able to give me this negative 5 right here, which is the middle term. So between 5 and 6, the common factors is 3 and 2. So the sign of a bigger number stays here, and this one is negative because our 6 there is positive. When you multiply this throughout, it must always take you back at the top. If it does not take you back to the top, somewhere, somehow, you have made a mistake. So from me, Mr. M, today, I am done with you. So have a wonderful day and a lovely day. Bye-bye. God bless you.